Welcome to the in front of me OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should open the settings application and now scroll down to the sounds and vibration section. Right there, just set up your ringing notification volume to hear your notification sound. And now, as can you see, we got here the ringtone and vibration section, and just go to the default notification sound section. Here you can set the ringtone from your device. If you get something, you can just download something from the internet. Also, you can switch that to the none, or also you can just select one from the default notification sound. We'll go in with the default one. Just select the one from the sounds and go back here, and you'll see the changes that your notification sound has changed successfully to the surprise one. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.